Okay, today we're going to read a nonfiction book called In the Oceans. And before we start reading, I just want you to take a look at the cover and think about what you know about nonfiction books before we start reading. All right, on the first page, we have our table of contents. Think about what you know about table of contents. What do table of contents help us learn? How do they help us understand the book before we read it? Let's explore the oceans. Water stretches out as far as you can see. Your drone camera captures a giant shadow swimming below the waves. It is a massive blue whale. Ocean depths. The ocean gets colder and darker as it gets deeper. The deepest place on Earth is in the Pacific Ocean. It is known as Challenger Deep. It is approximately 36,200 feet deep. So you can see right here a diagram kind of what that Challenger Deep really looks like. So that's another nonfiction text feature that I'm seeing right there is a diagram. Tamu Massif, and they said it's pictured below, is an underwater shield volcano. It is located in the Pacific Ocean. Tamu Massif is the biggest volcano on Earth, and it covers more than 100,000 square miles. I noticed that shield volcano is written in bold. So I look down at the bottom and it's going to give me the definition of a shield volcano. It says a shield volcano is a broad, domed volcano or a mountain with an opening at the top where lava and gases burst out. My heading for this next page says staying shallow for sunlight. So what do you think I'm going to be reading about on this page? Ocean plants and algae are important food sources. They also provide much of the planet's oxygen. Plants and algae need sunlight to grow. Sunlight can reach 650 feet into the ocean. Little grows deeper than this. Again, I noticed my word algae is bold, so I'm going to look for the definition at the bottom of the page. It says algae is plant-like organisms that do not have stems, roots, or leaves. Seaweed is a type of large algae. Giant kelp is a seaweed that grows up to 175 feet long. Other algae, such as phytoplankton, are so small they are microscopic. Microscopic means able to be seen only through a microscope. So they're really, really tiny. You have to get a microscope to even look at them. Animals big and small. The blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. It grows up to 105 feet long. It weighs 200 tons. The blue whale's calls are louder than a jet engine. Look at the diagram on page 15. It's got a school bus. Look at how much bigger a blue whale is than a school bus. Japanese spider crabs are some of the biggest arthropods. Their legs span 18 feet. These animals live on the ocean floor at about 1,000 feet deep. Fang-toothed fish can live thousands of feet deeper. They are only 6 inches long. Arthropods are animals including insects, crustaceans, which are crabs, lobsters, and shrimp, or spiders. And that right there is the actual size of a fang-toothed fish. Full of life. From algae to blue whales, the ocean is full of life. What other amazing things can you discover about this mysterious place? In the oceans as percentages of the global ocean, smallest to largest. So you see the smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean, all the way to the largest is the Pacific Ocean. And at the end, it's got some websites that you can go to look at to find different information about oceans. Thanks for listening.